Hi guys, GP here and welcome to BudgetTECHph. I'm back. I'm sorry I wasn't able to post anything for more than a month now, but don't worry, I'll be uploading new videos every week from now on. And since this is my first video of the year and to make up for the time I was gone, I have a surprise for you guys at the end of this video. So stay tuned and watch out for it. But for now, let's unbox and have a quick review of the Honor 10 Lite. Okay guys, this phone was recently released here in the Philippines just last month, and you can get this for 9,999. And the Honor 10 Lite is actually the toned down, the light version, or you can call it the affordable version of the Honor 10, which was released last year. And later we'll talk about some of the differences between the Honor 10 and the Honor 10 Lite. And guys, I think we're ready to unbox this. Okay guys, we have here the color Midnight Black. Okay, let me just cut this tape. And we have the phone right here. And we have a free jelly case, manuals, SIM tray ejector, micro USB cable, and of course the charger. So let's go back to the phone. Okay, the phone is made of plastic and it's kind of light, but it doesn't feel cheap. Look at that. Right here is the micro USB port, the speaker grill, and the 3.5 earphone jack. You have here your power button and the volume rocker, and on top you have your SIM tray. And at the back we have your fingerprint scanner and your dual camera, which we will talk about more later. But before that, here's a rundown of some of its specs. This phone is powered by high silicon Kirin 710 with a GPU Mali G51 MP4. It has a 3GB of RAM, 32GB of storage, and can handle micro SD up to 512GB. This one has a 3000 mAh battery. The screen is a 6.21-inch Full HD Plus display, and it's using the Android Pie 9.0. Okay guys, some of the obvious differences between the Honor 10 and the Honor 10 Lite is, aside from of course the processor, RAM, storage, GPU, and camera, is that this one has a bigger screen. This one has a 6.21-inch screen display, while the Honor 10 has a 5.84-inch screen display. And the Honor 10 is using USB Type-C, while this one is only using the micro USB. Okay, enough of that, and let's talk about the camera of this phone. Your selfie camera right here is a 24-megapixel camera, and at the back you have your dual camera setup, which is a 30-megapixel camera and a 2-megapixel camera. Okay guys, here are some samples of pictures and clips from this phone. This phone is not really a downgrade from the Honor 10. Well, this phone has a bigger screen and for me has a better design, decent camera, and of course a more affordable price. So I think this phone is very competitive at its price range. So that's it guys for our unboxing and quick review of the Honor 10 Lite. Okay guys, as I promised earlier, I have a surprise for you. I'll be doing giveaways. Okay, I have 3 prizes right here from Honor. I I have a headset with a tumbler right here, and I have a foldable bag, and I have a running band, which is some sort of a sports watch. Okay, so it's so easy, guys. If you want to join, just click the link down below on the description area, and just after that, just comment with a hashtag of BudgetTECHph giveaway. Again, that is hashtag BudgetTECHph giveaway. Okay, so good luck, guys, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and hit that notification bell as well. So see you guys next time.